Okay, we are going to be rebatching cold processed soap into a foaming scrub and or a shaving cream. So I accidentally, this has a little bit too much lye in it. Too much lye came out, and I didn't mean to put all the lye water in when I added it, and I forgot to not put it all in, and I put it all in. So this bar is kind of hard. So you're going to want to grate it down, and the more finely grated, the better results you're going to get. So this is actually just one 5-ounce bar of soap, and this will make about 12 to 16 ounces of a foaming scrub or shaving cream. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some distilled water. Now I don't have a precise measurement, I just want it to cover at least the very third of the soap. And then sometimes I'll go in and I'll add more water if I need to. Actually, let's do it to like there. I don't know if you can see. So, and I'm going to put it in my little makeshift double boiler here. And we are going to let that melt. And I will check in with it periodically to show you what it looks like. And, you know, if I add more water or anything like that, so you can see what I am doing. But yeah, so right now we're just gonna wait for that to melt. Okay, so it's only been about 3 minutes right now, and this is what it looks like. I think that is just the right amount of water. I don't think I'm going to add any more. I'm just going to let it melt a little bit more. And trust me, you don't want any little pieces that aren't grated to be in this, because you'll end up seeing it in your final product. And we don't want to see that in a shaving cream or a scrub. So I'm gonna let that go a few more minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, so it's been about another 3 minutes. As you can see, it's like a lot darker green now. But you know, this is a time that if you needed to add more color or more fragrance oil, you could definitely do that. It's almost completely melted, so just a few more minutes. Okay, so I think that this is pretty good. Let me show it to you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I will be back shortly. So I like to take it out at least once and whip it, because if not, you can get some areas on the bottom or around the sides that are going to want to start to form like soap again. So even though this isn't quite ready, I did want to just whip it some and get it all mixed together, and I'm going to put it back in the fridge for another 10 minutes. Okay, so I kept it in another 5 minutes, so about 25 minutes altogether. So now I'm going to whip it for a few minutes. Actually, even though this was cold, or you know, it's from cold processed soap, I did add some more distilled water, so just to be safe, I'm going to add a little bit of preservative. And I already have my fragrance oil in there from the soap, and this is a men's fragrance. It's Jean Paul Gaultier. So, all right. Okay, so now I'm going to split this up because I want to make some of it into a shaving cream and some of it into a foaming sugar scrub. Okay, So I might as well just continue. I'm going to make this into the sugar scrub. So all we have to do now is add sugar. If you want to add more coloring, feel free. I just start with a little bit of sugar and then I add more as I go. I did not see any videos where people had repurposed cold processed soap into a scrub. I doubt I'm the first person